I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming what's already available. Scan the creator's public posts, tier descriptions, and preview material so you don't miss free content. Once done, compare tiers to match cost versus value and pick the smallest tier that meets your needs. If you still need more, write a concise message requesting a sample or short trial. Explain why you're interested and what you can offer in return, because creators often respond to polite, specific requests. You should contact the creator directly and be upfront. Say which content you want and why it matters to you. Make a clear, reasonable offer. Feedback, social shares, or a testimonial can be valuable to many creators. Once done, ask whether they provide limited access, a discounted tier, or a short-term trial, and make sure to include any relevant details like timing or purpose. If they decline, respect that decision and thank them for their time. If direct access isn't possible, find legitimate alternatives. Follow the creator on public platforms where they post free material, or sign up for their newsletter for occasional free content. Once you've explored those, consider supporting with a one-time payment or buying a single-month membership to access what you need. If you encounter problems contacting the creator or payment issues, make sure to use Patreon's support channels or try different, verified payment methods as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.